Hi! In front of me is our Pad X8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Following that, click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And then to create new alarm, select this plus at the bottom. Now set up an hour. When you finished, click on Repeat section at the top and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. When you're finished, hit OK in the pop-up. Now tap on Sound section, hit Allow, and by tapping on Music on device, select any song from your tablet by tapping on it and set it up as your incoming alarm one. If you want to, you can always just tap on one of those options instead, like Creek. When you're done, go back and click on Label section. Finally, you can label your alarm however you want to if you want to, and hit OK. Then tap on Ring Duration. Decide how many minutes your alarm will ring. And then tap on Snooze Duration to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then select OK as well. Finally, to save your alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner, and to discard it, this X at the top left one. I will go and save those, so when I click, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, click on one of your alarms, change whatever you want to, and tap on the same check mark again. By tapping on this switcher next to one of your alarms, you can switch it off or on. If you want to delete it instead, just click on it, tap on Delete option at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!